Well, we have certainly had our fair share of severe weather in June, which is typically supposed to be a bit of a quiet month for severe weather in Little Rock and Arkansas. Of course, we still have thunderstorms in June because things really start to heat up. We're just not used to seeing the extent of the severe weather that we saw. From massive hail to multiple tornadoes and now extreme heat to round out the month. The first of that massive hail started June 11th, and this is what fell closer to Clarendon, and that was baseball-size hail. Our next hail event with some very large hail, that was on the 14th. You can see egg-size hail there, 2 inch in diameter. And then the 16th, we were very familiar with this, not only in Lake Hamilton, but over closer to Hot Springs Village. You can see the very large hail pelting the water there. So we had some very abnormal conditions here with that hail happen a couple times this month. And then we dealt with shelf clouds and more severe weather. This was from June 25th, and that not only led to quite extensive damage as far as taking down trees, power poles, and power lines, but also brought some more of that very large hail. Even ended up striking a plane over at Clinton National, and Adams Field ended up measuring a wind gust closer to 70 miles per hour. So we had hurricane force winds in Lonoke County from that same day on the 25th, and that led to almost 150,000 Arkansans out of power by that Sunday evening for the 25th. In addition to the hail, we also had tornadoes. Now, typically we see the most tornadoes in April, May. That was not the case this year, but we have had a very active season. Almost every single month here, well above average, and that has been the case for June as well. Normally, on average in Arkansas, we see 1 tornado in the month of June. We have seen 5 so far for this month. And now we talk about that heat. We ended up hitting 99 degrees on Wednesday for the 28th with a heat index value closer to 118. Thursday and Friday, the last 2 days of the month, are going to be feeling very similar as well. So we are talking about dangerous heat here heading into the very first of the new month as well for July on Saturday. It's not until Sunday that temperatures will start to cool down, relatively speaking, into the 90s. So hopefully July will be a bit of a quieter month compared to what we experienced in June, which is abnormal. But if it's not, the Arkansas Storm team, of course, is going to be here tracking it all for you.